Hi, I'm Allison Walther with Confluent. Let's talk about ksqlDB and Lambdas. We already know that ksqlDB can perform transformations and filters on each event in a stream based on values in the events, even values in nested fields. But what about elements of an array or map field? That's where ksqlDB Lambdas come in. We can perform transformations, filters, or reductions on every element in an array or map field in our events. The transform function will change the key and/or value of each element in a map, or the value of each element in an array field, based on the lambda expression given. Note, for a map field, two lambda expressions are required, one for the key and one for the value. If no change is desired for either key or value, the lambda can just return the existing data. Reduce will take all of the elements of an array or map and produce a single result based on the lambda expression. For an array, the lambda will take two arguments, the array element and an accumulator. For a map, the lambda will take three arguments, the key, value, and an accumulator. The filter function will take an array or map and return the same type, but with only elements that meet the filter criteria given in the lambda expression. ksqlDB Lambdas open up a whole new way to work with data in our event streams. Let's use transform, reduce, and filter in our exercise. That's it for this lesson.